Hello and welcome to this jailbreak YouTube tutorial. So, I'm in a camping server, so this is why I'm using this method. I save this only for camping servers to escape. What we're going to do is get a helicopter easy and fast without any rocket fuel for noobs. You don't need to know some literally insane glitch to do this, or rocket fuel. Yeah, no glitches. Can I finally escape? I don't think so. Yes, I finally can escape. Okay, so what you're going to do is, just gonna lock my vehicle quickly. You're gonna go to the museum. You can follow along. This is Jailbreak Season 3. It'll probably work on any season, but the addition to Season 3, you can't be on any other seasons right now, but whatever. Let's get right into this. What you're gonna do, this is how I get to the museum. I think this is the fastest way. Just keep going on the highway. Oh, there's the agent car. That's available for only 7 days. I need to get $600,000 in 7 days. Can't believe it. Okay. So you're gonna keep going. On this grass path, you're just gonna go into any cars available to do that. Yeah. Okay, so you're gonna go up the museum. I could have just done the rocket fuel method there, but I'm not going to do that. So you're at the museum. I'm gonna drive back here into this tower that used to have the binoculars, but I haven't found them yet for some reason on this tower. What you're gonna do is get out of the car, climb up this tower. I just need to make no errors. Oh, come on. But you climb up this tower. So once you're at this tower, you're gonna parachute down. On a computer, you do that by pressing space. I don't know on mobile devices. I don't play Jailbreak on mine. There! You're right here! Easy as that! Easy as that. So you can enter the police station from here. Maybe grab a gun. Get in a police uniform. Without a keycard. That's the good part. Without a keycard. And go back. You just hijack this helicopter. Easy as that. That's how you hijack it. Just hold it for a while until it's complete. Press E to enter. Here you go. That's it for this week's tutorial. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. That's it.